So Madam Boss has finally apologized for Nyai Diamond Migration. Let me just read what she posted. Hence, I, Madam Boss, would like to issue this official statement to address concerns and apologize to the public of my fans regarding my endorsement of a company, Diamond Migration, owned by Veco Lupa, that claimed to offer immigration and overseas employment services. Firstly, I sincerely apologize to anyone who may have been misled, inconvinced, or financially affected after seeing the advert or promotion associated with my brand. My intention has always been to inspire, uplift, and create opportunities, never to cause harm or false hope. After further investigation, it has come to my attention that the company in question was not legally registered, not accredited, and did not possess the official authority to facilitate immigration or overseas employment. I was also misled, and I deeply regret associating my name with their service. I would like to categorically and officially deassociate myself from this company, its operation, its representatives, and all its claims. I do not have any ownership, partnership, or ongoing relationship with the company, and I do not support any of its activities. My message to the public, to everyone who follows and supports me, I truly value your trust going forward. I'll implement stricter vetting procedures before associating with any brand or service. Your welfare and confidence in my work remain my highest priority. Again, I deeply apologize and humbly ask for your understanding. I stand with the people affected. Signed, Madam Boss and Management. No apology yacho yasvika iyi. It sounds as if the apology is okay. Haina kunyanyowanda sedzimwe dzevamwe vaisanyatsomenshina kuti zita recompany, and it sounds sincere to me. For now, I think ndo the best apology yati yauya pavanhu vese vati vaapologize, but still vanhu havasi kuda kutombozvinzwa izvozvo zvokuti vazooffer apology yavo. Before vasati apologize, people were like, Madam Boss apologize, Madam Boss. But anyway, now apologize. Yanyaya futi vakunzi havana kumira nevanhu vakabirwa. Ndo pamwe paakunetsa nevanhu ipapo hanzi sorry chete is not enough. Vanhu vari kuda mari dzavo. Problem ndo yandiri kutongoona ipapa yekungoti masocialites they ignored. Paitaurwa kunzi Veko imbavha, musa wedu wevanhu vabirwa mari vaita sevadyirirwa mari, ivo vanga vakangonyarara because vakadya mari kudhara. Saka zvekuti pane adyirwa mari, pane akazoita sei, aiwa, it's not their problem. From now on, it's going to be very difficult to trust them. After this whole drama, mega kuti they don't investigate. So how are we going to trust a person who doesn't investigate? All of them, my socialites, they did not thoroughly investigate. So amenoti nyaya chapera sei, but anyway, Veko wacho wakashandisa munhu wese, and zvaitonetsawo kune vanhu vakabirwa mari kuti vaona kuti ndezvekunyepa zvaitika. Vakanonoka kuzvibata because akabata vanhu vacho matop ana Mama V namana Madam Boss vavava. Remember kuti creator yakatorera futi vanhu mari. Vanhu vasati vachangamuka ndo zvandiri kutoona. Veko auya, what's next? There's going to be something else pamberi apa. No one came with a testimony kana makazvitarisa. Veko aingoshandisa vanhu ivavo, but hapana kana munhu wani akamboya netestimony yekuti akazoenda kunze kwenyika vhisa rabuda. Handi kudhara tajaira kuti vanhu vanongouya nematestimony, but apa hapana. Kumwe kunoda kungwarirwa kumastands. Mabig brands iwawaya anonyudza vanhu, anaJoy anani hameno mastands kwana Sisimeli akambonza anyudziwa futi vanhu. So please be careful. South Africa, they had a similar case as well. Yekuti masocialites aka-advertise kuti Russia kune ma-opportunities chichichi, and the next thing vanhu vakanzi vaenda kuRussia kwacho kwakanzi it was like they were trafficked, something like that. Do you know what happened? People united and they made sure that they reported my accounts. They lost my social media accounts. Anasima, Anasayen, they lost. Imagine Anazile Anani my South African and Rumbozi Yamashoma anyway, but they lost my social media accounts. They had to start from scratch. And it was just rumors. Panotozombonya zvakaitika chaizvo. But nema rumors iwawo, those socialites, they actually had to start from scratch because vanhu vakareport my social media accounts, which we don't want to do as Zimbabweans. We just want them kuti next time they should just do their due diligence panyaya yekuti havafani kutombo tisiya tichinyudzwa nevanhu like this. In conclusion, let me just say kuti masocialites, they advertise zvinhu zvavasina shuwa nazvo. Whatever they come on social media vachititengesera vachiti hey kamani yakati, don't just take their word and not research first, because mukasaresearcha aiwa munongochema sezvingoitika ipapapa, vanhu vachangochema kusvika amen. Saka which means kuti munhu ndogona kutoita scam yangu kuZimbabwe ndikatopa kana kuti masocialites mamwe ndotobudirira kandotoona mari, because veko akaita millionaire nekubira vanhu nekushandisa masocialites. I can also become a millionaire. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. If you are not a subscriber, please make sure that you're subscribed. Road to 50,000 subscribers, and very soon we'll be there. Now we are going to 32.